You can finally carry your robot dog around like a baby, which is, of course, a thing. I mean, you wouldn't want the robot dog to be left out. There was a robot dog in a Super Bowl commercial. The robot dog is just an interesting development for society because it is lacking the fur of the real dog, but it's also lacking the poop and scoop of the real dog. So you got to weigh
Or
that.
a soul.
Wow, Will.
That escalated quickly. I was being a little bit more loose with it.
No, I'm sorry. Ibo has a soul.
And then Willie Duke came with the hard-hitting soul talk.
What about the soul, huh?
Yeah,
Where's the soul at?
Obviously, Will has a very special relationship with Otis. He's like, "Why would show me your soul?" Otis is just there wagging his tail. That's what I'm talking about.
Remember the Ibo?
Yeah, of course.
The
This
Sony
is so
Ibo.
cool, man. I want one of these things, and I have a dog. I have a dog. All right, we don't need to talk soul. I got one of those, but these are just cool. This is cool, actually, from an engineering perspective to me, because when I played with it and I had it, we had to send it back. All the little motorized components and functions for it to move smoothly is so impressive.
Right.
And the visual system that it had to have. I mean, it's a really sophisticated. It looks like a little toy.
Right.
It's not a toy. I don't even remember, Mo. You probably don't. You probably never even checked it out.
No, I seen the video. Yeah.
But you weren't
I
there.
wasn't there,
when
no.
we had it. Yeah, so it's $3,000, so it's a little cost prohibitive for people. Although the price of real dogs has gone through the roof with COVID because people were lonely and whatnot.
Right. Are people asking to be able to hold it, like without holding it, like the harness?
You want to get back to the harness. You want to get back on task. We were just doing.
I'm just saying.
We were just doing a recap. I mean, I
Yeah.
think people should go watch the videos. It's really an amazing moment right there.
Learns how to play fetch and
It's
push
cool.
a-
Listen, I remember when I first
Roll
saw
around.
the original Ibo 1 in a music video, some kind of futuristic music video. I was already hooked. I was like, cool, man. So I don't know. I mean, I think the thing can kind of be in tandem with real dogs. I don't think it has to be one or the other. But anyway, the baby carrier takes it to another level. Now you're carrying your robot dog. You're spending $1,730 on the robot dog. So the price came down on that. Oh, never mind. $800 on a 3-year plan to unlock all of its capabilities. Never mind. Still almost $3,000. It makes sense that you go out of your way to take care of it, but how far out of your way is too far? The new Ibo accessory from Japan's leading maker of baby carriers might have just crossed the line. Sony's robotic Ibo dog first debuted 23 years ago. That's the version I was talking about, young Lou watching the music videos. So this is a third-party company that makes baby carriers. And, you know, maybe they're having a little joke, a little laugh. Maybe they're trying to get some coverage in order to bring attention to their actual baby carriers, because I don't know how many of these they can possibly sell. But how about that for a flex? How about that for Japanese street fashion? You show up with the Ibo carrier to go with your
Yeah, what else would you have?
your bathing ape gear or whatever.
Oh
else.
yeah.
Supreme something or other. It's $85, by the way, for the carrier. If this is a thing you want to do, I don't know. I feel like you could get an Instagram post out of it.
Yeah, it reminds me
That's
of
for
that pillow
The
for TikTok. Or-
the other Japanese post, yeah.